Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix payment issues on Squarespace in 2026. So if your checkout is failing, cards aren't working, or customers can't complete payments, don't worry, we'll go through the most common fixes step by step. First, go to your commerce settings and open your payment options. Make sure your payment provider like Stripe or PayPal is properly connected. Next, check if your payment account is fully verified. Unverified accounts can block transactions or delay payouts. Now run a test checkout. Try purchasing your own product in test mode or with a small transaction to see where it fails. Make sure your store currency and region settings match your payment provider. Mismatched settings can cause failed transactions. Next, check if customers are entering correct card details or if their bank is declining payments. Sometimes the issue is on the customer side, not your website. If you recently added apps or custom scripts, try disabling them. They can sometimes interfere with checkout functionality. And if nothing works, contact your payment provider like Stripe or PayPal support. They can check for account-level restrictions or hidden issues, and that's it. Most Squarespace payment issues are caused by setup errors, verification problems, or mismatched settings, and they're usually easy to fix once you check step by step. Hey everyone!